welcome to Xxx1 Tour and Travel. How may I assist you?
Afternoon, I would like to buy flight ticket.
Alright, you can go to Mrs. counter right there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon, welcome to Xxx1 Tour and Travel. Please have a seat.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
My name is Siska, as a ticketing assistant. How can I help you?
I want to buy flight ticket from Jakarta to Singapore. One passenger, economy class with Garuda Indonesia on 1st June.
Alright, may I know your flight will be one way or return?
One way.
Alright, may I know your name, ma'am?
Kirana Jina.
Alright, Miss Kirana, please wait a minute. I will check your schedule. Well, Miss Kirana, flight from Jakarta to Singapore on 1 June available at morning flight, afternoon flight, and evening flight. Which one that you want?
Morning.
Alright, at the morning flight, you will depart from Jakarta at 8 past 35 a.m. and you will arrive in Singapore at 11 past 20 p.m. And the price is 10,357,800 rupiah. And your package allowance is 30 kilograms. This is it for you?
Yes.
Alright. May I have your passport?
Wait. Of course. This is my passport.
Alright, thank you. And could you tell me your email address and your phone number?
My email address tirana@gmail.com and my phone number 081 333 101 888.
Alright, please wait a minute, Miss Kirana. I will input your data. Well, Miss Kirana, I will reconfirm your data. Your full name is Kirana Jingga, Kilo, India, Romeo, Alpha, November, Alpha, space, Juliet, India, November, Golf, Golf, Alpha. And your email address is kirana@gmail.com, Kilo, India, Romeo, Alpha, November, Alpha @gmail.com. And your phone number is 081 333 101 888. Is it right?
Yes, right.
Do you have any special requests like your seat, meals, and additional package?
No.
Alright, please wait a minute. I will process your reservation. Well, Miss Kirana, I will explain your reservation. You buy a flight ticket from Jakarta to Singapore on 1st June and you will depart from Soekarno-Hatta International Airport, Jakarta at 8 past 35 a.m. and you will arrive in Changi International Airport, Singapore at 11 past 20 p.m. with flight number GA828 and your package allowance is 30 kilograms. Under name Kirana Jingga and your email address is kirana@gmail.com and your phone number is 081 333 101 888. And your ticket will be 10,357,800 rupiah. Is it right?
Yes.
Alright, for the payment, what the method payment that we choose? We have cash, transfer, by card, or you can scan this QR code.
I will scan this QR code.
Alright, please wait a minute. I will process your invoice. Alright, Ms. Kirana, this is your invoice and this is your total payment. Nice.
Okay. Alright, done.
Alright, let me check it first. Okay, your payment is done. I will issue your ticket. Well, Ms. Kirana, this is your ticket. This is your itinerary. You will depart from Soekarno-Hatta International Airport at 8:35 and you will arrive in Changi International Airport at 11:20 p.m. and your baggage allowance is 30 kg. Okay, and this is your receipt. This is right?
Yes, right.
Alright. Well, Ms. Kirana, this is your ticket and your passport. Please do the check-in 2 hours before your flight. Anything else, Ms. Kirana?
No?
Thank you for trusting us. Have a safe flight.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
You're welcome.